Man, look at that storm riding in. This is the reason why I can't drive the Corvette all the time. I tell you. I hope everybody's having a good day today, because I know that I am, because look at that. I'm right here with these two ZR1s. I have the 2010 uncovered right now because there are some things that I have done to it that I think that y'all will like. Now, today's video really wasn't the planned video that I wanted to release. I actually have another video that has a whole bunch of Corvettes on it that I wanted to put together, but right now I don't have the right music, nor do I have the perfect ideal to actually put that into a good video. So what I wanted to do is just show y'all some of the improvements, well, some of the things that I've done to this 2010 ZR1. And the first thing that you might see, right there, the mile to wow. Yes sir, I actually got it. I got the cheap version, not really the cheap version. I got the module for a lot less than some of these other places were selling it. I got this for $15.99 and I put it together myself and it works just fine. I have it sitting right here in what I like to call my experience square. And what I mean by my experience square, like I say, you turn the traction control off, more speed, open the exhaust up, boom, hit your selective ride, bam, right there in sport. So this is my my square of destiny. Here's what the setup looks like. Like I said, it was very, very easy and I did it myself. Saved me about 60 bucks because here goes the module right here. Look, see, no mile to wild on it. You can put it together yourself, save yourself a lot of money. And another thing is bringing this 2010 halfway into the 21st century. The car already has Bluetooth. So what I did was I went ahead and got this controller here, which is great. This is a great product here. I can Bluetooth to it, and also it has a fast charging USB port. So this right here, it slips right into your 9-volt outlet. Like so. And I can even close the lid. So now I have Bluetooth capabilities to it. So I can pair my phone to it, listen to music, actually take calls from it as well. I still use the controller that's in here, the cable that's in here, because I can't control this device here from these controllers on my steering wheel, nor will it come up in the heads-up display. So I still use that sometime, but if I forget at any point in time, I always have this so I can listen to my MP3s on my phone. I can charge it now, fast charging, since I have a Samsung. So it's all good, and the best thing about it is that I can close it. Look at that mile to wow. Look at this setup. Beautiful. And this is the other thing that I wanted to show y'all. Hopefully the wind's not coming through, but look how clean these exhaust tips look. And trust me, I'm not sponsored by anybody, but this right here, this auto cleaner right here, if it'll focus, this metal polish cleaner right here is what I used on them. And I'm pretty sure I can actually get them cleaner than this, but I don't have a polishing tool. But I also did it on the C7 and it came out just as great. And here's the before shot. So as you can see, by doing this by hand, you still get a great chrome tip, because I can't stand people who has two dirty tips, which on this is the two inner ones, and then the rest are decent. I like to have mine clean all the time. Also, everybody, I'm thinking about changing these lights here, my tail lights, to these lights here. And if y'all can let me know which color's better, would it be better to have the clear ones or to have the red ones? Just comment below and let me know. Man, look at that storm riding in. This is the reason why I can't drive the Corvette all the time, I tell you. But if you're joining, it's the first time joining, My name's Amax1001, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm hoping to upload another video soon, but just wanted to show y'all a couple of things that I've done to the